Tech gadgets you didn't know you needed. Welcome to Tech Prior. Do you want to stand out from the crowd with some technology that is truly exceptional and uncommon? You don't need to look any further than this collection of devices that you had no idea you were missing. Are you looking for something that can't be found anywhere else in the world of technology? In this video, we will show you something that will grab your attention and provide you with capabilities that go beyond the most recent ones. You probably didn't realize you needed any of these weird technological gadgets until now. And it's possible that you haven't even heard of them before. However, once you have them in your possession, you won't be able to imagine your life without them. Let's examine them, shall we? Number 10. The Oppo Find N2 Flip. The Oppo Find N2 Flip allows you to carry pocket-sized technology with you everywhere you go. It features a more substantial cover screen that is 3.26 inches in size. In the meanwhile, the vertical arrangement offers a viewing experience that is both straightforward and unbroken, and the screen includes shortcuts that save time. Because it folds up, the phone can fit in even the smallest of purses and pockets. In addition to that, it features a battery life that lasts for the entire day and a 44W flash charge. Number 9. The speaker is known as the Transparent Acoustic Sculpture. The Transparent Acoustic Sculpture speaker, which is available in a limited edition, was created to highlight a more natural and sculptural geometry. It takes its cues for its form from organic forms seen in nature, such as the ear canal of a human being or a set of acoustic horns. In addition to that, this speaker can organically enhance sound, which will provide you with a superior listening experience right in your own home. The unconventional shapes also produce an aesthetically appealing and distinctive appearance for the speaker, which distinguishes it from designs that adhere to more conventional conventions. Number 8. The EVA Smart Laundry Solution, which is a 2-in-1 device. One of the most peculiar technological devices available right now is the EVA 2-in-1 Smart Washing Solution, which can be carried around because of its portable form. You have the option of providing water either by hooking up to a direct water supply or by filling the detachable canister with water. After the cycle has been completed, it will be simple for you to install a hose drain or empty it whenever you choose to do so. In addition, to dry your clothes, it will indeed heat up. This device also lessens the amount of water and electricity that you use. Number 7. The Coop Smart Chicken Coop. Your chickens deserve the best, which is why you should get them the Coop Smart Chicken Coop. It integrates a plethora of cutting-edge technological elements, all of which work together to make life more comfortable and convenient. For instance, it features intelligent video surveillance, an automatic door, as well as intelligent ventilation and insulation. In addition to this, it is made out of eco-friendly materials, which guarantees that it is the perfect combination of use and environmentally responsible behavior. Number 6. The IMP Spam Call Filter for Landline Phones. You didn't realize you needed it, but if you have a landline phone, the IMP Landline Spam Call Blocker is something you're going to want to look into getting. It prevents any unsolicited calls to your landline from ever happening in the first place. In addition to that, it enables real-time remote management, which is an excellent feature for caregivers. Additionally, the apparatus is compatible with Evolp, copper landlines, POTS, and classic landlines that are hardwired. In addition, the easy plug-and-play setup takes only 5 minutes to complete. Number 5. A portable audio workstation known as the Poly-N Tracker Mini. Using the Poly-N Tracker Mini portable audio workstation, it is not even necessary for you to be in a studio or close to a computer to compose an album. As a result of the fact that it provides all of the instruments necessary for creation, we decided to include it on our list of the most bizarre gadgets. You have the option of recording with your sounds or beginning with the sample pack that is offered. In addition to this, it is possible to convert samples into instruments, control external devices, compose compositions, mix tracks, and do a great deal more. The battery life of the device is 8 hours, and it comes equipped with a microphone of a very high quality. Number 4. The family robot is known as the Enebot EBO XAI. The Enebot EBO XAI family robot is one of the most innovative and cutting-edge home security devices now available. It may either serve as a knowledgeable friend or watchdog. You may have peace of mind knowing that it provides critical safety features thanks to its innovative technology, which includes auto navigation and AI face recognition. In addition, because it has a fall alert feature, it can determine whether or not a person has fallen by employing a gesture inspection algorithm. In addition to that, you can designate limited regions on the map of the internal facilities. After that, the robot will send you a notification if unauthorized individuals enter those regions. Number 3. The ambidextrous mouse from Contour Design is called the Roller Mouse Free 3. Your output will improve dramatically after you switch to the ambidextrous Contour Design Roller Mouse Free 3 mouse. Simply position it in front of your keyboard and operate it with your thumbs and fingers. It may be used effectively with either hand. The placement of the keyboard in front of you, on the other hand, lowers the amount of unneeded muscle action in your shoulders, arms, and neck. In addition, because it has an angled wrist rest, it is an excellent choice for professionals who have either medium or large hands. Number 2. The Tesla Smart Pillow. With the Tesla Smart Pillow, you may experience a sleep that is both comfortable and intelligent. It includes 3 features: intelligent heating, monitoring of sleep, and music to listen to before bed. Your sleeping patterns are recorded by the pillow, and the information is then made available in an accompanying app. Even better, the heating functions allow you to keep warm even on the chilliest of evenings. You may listen to your favorite music or podcasts on the built-in speaker, or you can activate the white noise generator for some added peace. Number 1. The foldable 45-inch OLED display is known as the Corsair Xenion Flex 45WQ HD 240 gaming monitor. The 45-inch OLED bending gaming monitor from Corsair, the Xenion Flex 45WQ HD 240, will completely revolutionize both your workstation and your gaming setup. It is possible to transform it from a flat ultra-wide display into a hyper-immersive 800R curve thanks to its design, which is changeable. In addition to this, it possesses technology that prevents flickering in the images, which safeguards not only the panel but also your eyes. Additionally, it boasts a QWP polarizing matte, non-reflective display, which ensures that the image is perfect regardless of the viewing angle. It is without a doubt one of the most peculiar pieces of technology that is now on the market. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.